If a wedding takes time to plan, divorce should also take time. It's never wise rushing to it without knowing what's going to happen. We would like to share a 10-step guide to divorce, which sets out some of the essential issues that you should consider before considering moving forward. While most clients who come to us for divorce have already made up their mind, some are still pondering whether to go down that route. Understandably, they wish to be prepared in the event of a divorce being the only option. Other clients come to us because of key events, finding out about an extramarital relationship, domestic violence, financial issues, etc. Apart from consulting with a lawyer, they should perhaps also see other professionals, like counselors, for advice and assistance. It's after all a major decision that should not be made lightly. Moreover, there are other questions. Does it have to happen immediately? Is it so intolerable that you can't wait to get out of it? Should that be the case, you should also plan for your separation before planning for divorce. It makes sense to seek legal advice when the idea of divorce is still in your mind, because you would like to know the worst-case scenario and prepare for it. Nobody, except perhaps for Elizabeth Taylor and a few other celebrities, is really that experienced after all. For this exact reason, don't take advice from your divorced friend and follow it blindly. Every situation is different. Every relationship is different. One ingenious idea may not be that ingenious in your situation. The documents that you should have in hand are the following. Marriage certificate. If you don't have it, get another one. Children's passports. You need to know where they are in case you have concerns over your spouse suddenly taking your children overseas. Bank statements. Don't throw away bank statements, including credit card statements, because you will need to disclose them during the divorce proceedings. Receipts. You need to establish your financial needs with proper supporting documents. Divorce can be a long process, a painful process, and a costly process. A few crucial questions that you'll need to ask yourself before starting divorce proceedings are: can you rely on anyone else in the divorce process? Do you have sufficient financial means to support yourself throughout the process? Are you eligible for legal aid? How would he or she react to your request? Who moves out? Where is he or she going to live? What would be the children's assets arrangement look like? If you need maintenance, how much? Will he or she use children or money as bargaining chips? If yes, how would you react? If relocation is in the plan, how to best arrange it? Children. Custody, care, control, access, nesting arrangement, long holiday arrangement, etc. Finances. Monthly maintenance versus division of marital assets. It's very important to deliver the message to the children in a way that would not create any fear. This might include fear of losing one or both of the parents, being caught in the middle, being accused of the cause of divorce, etc. It's very tough to talk to children about such situation. Therefore, seek help if necessary. Do you know how much you have? Do you know how much the other spouse has? Joint ownership of property. How are you going to dispose of it? What would be the liabilities that go with the disposition, such as tax and mortgage, and how to deal with it? Valuable personal properties. Your watches, your art, your pieces of jewelry, your bags, your shoes. Most of these items would not be split, but do they need to be valued? There will be financial disclosure, but would the other side hide the assets? Court proceedings is only one of the many ways to resolve those issues. There are other professionals, including mediators, cooperative practitioners, counselors, and co-parenting coordinators who can help the parties resolving those issues. and they are often appointed by the court to assist the parties to resolve challenges. A reputable family lawyer will be able to help you finding such help. Once divorce is resolved and the final order is made, what we call it a decree absolute, the parties will consider themselves emancipated. The lifestyle will become very different, and it will take time to adjust. Plan ahead and seek help from your friends or relatives, and it makes a real difference. An amicable divorce is not a fairy tale, and a nasty divorce is not inevitable. Seek help early